I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 3 hosted by Shana of Shinoki Art. And our prompts for this week is light blue and free, being free. And that just means putting the paper down with no thought, just like that, like I usually craft, to be honest with you. Just put it down with abandonment. So I pulled out a few items here that I may use, and I have also pulled out some little extra things. And the only rules we have is we leave the number free if we want to, which she's doing on all of hers, and have one carryover for the whole entire thing that's the same. And mine is stickers. I know Shana is using stamps. And then you have one carryover from last week that you bring to this one. And my carryover is going to be bling. So that's what I'm going to carry over for this week. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I cannot complain at all. So first, I'm going to sand down my card just a little bit to give it a little tooth because it's glossy. And just we want it to hold that paper. And I'm using matte medium to add my paper down. So I'm just going to put just a dollop and cover my card, at least part of it, and I'm just going to start tearing. I just went through my scrap box and started looking for different color light blue paper. And let's see, and I like these spots, so I'm just gonna add some down here. And got this wild blue here that I can add. Let's get that down for sure. Go ahead, I should go ahead and just go over it while I'm at it. Oh, let me tear that off because I want to see the clubs anyway. There we go. Now, let's see. Got this pretty blue. I think I want the tear going on both sides. And let's see, I've got a little bit of so I can, let me see here. I can add there. And now I'm just going to put a little bit over the top and cover everything up. I have to add a piece of this blue right here. So I'm going to dry this and then I'm going to trim around it and I'll be back. All right. It's definitely haphazard. So I'm going to go around it with a darker blue. It's Uncharted Mariner, just so that it will kind of pop. And I'm hoping it will kind of bring this together. I suppose I could have went with less different patterns and like that. But what's the fun in that? Okay. So now, let's see what we're going to do. I've got these pretty ladies. Now that looks nice. And it is light blue. This one is a dark blue. But I think I like the other one better. I just thought it might pop better on the background, but I really think I like this one better. I'm going to try them. They're washi stickers, so I want to see. If I don't like it, I've got another one. I don't want it to fade into the background too much. See, you can see through it. Yeah, I don't like that. So let's see if I can get her up. Okay. And I'm just going to put her right there. Now let's see. I got... There they are. I know I've got another one, or one like her. Now, she's pretty too. I'll use her. Well, let's see. I should have another one like the other one. Mm-hmm. Well, I thought I had got her. Her. So most of the time when I do these, got these two ladies. I'd rather have. Yeah, most of the time I just cut around the white edge and oh well. I usually have two, but I did give some away, so I may have given that one away. I put some in Happy Meal. All right, so I'm going to use her. I believe I got these off of, I don't know if I got them from Temu or from Amazon. All right, I figured y'all didn't need to watch me struggle to cut that out because I had to get out my X-Acto knife and everything. So I have cut it out, and I put a little bit of ink around the edges just to kind of hide what white I couldn't get to. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put her down. And I've got this thread that is light blue. So I think I want to see if I can separate this some and add it down. So I'm going to go ahead and put her down. I'm forgetting my reckless abandonment. Okay. And next week is supposed to be dark blue and the reckless abandonment. And I do believe I want to go around her to make her pop. Oops. Okay. I must have hit some glue. Well, phooey. Use a brush marker. It'll Be a little thicker, but at least it'll won't stop writing. Okay, just all right. And now I think I'm gonna add some of this and a button down here to give it a little bit of interest. Everything's sticking to me now. And now my button. And now I add my bling. Let's see here. My tweezers, these are very tiny. Oops. I think I got green instead of blue. There we go. That's pretty. I think I'm going to go down here also. And if y'all are a Chiefs fan, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be rude. Okay. Sometimes I talk too much. And just so I have an odd number, I'm going to put that one down there. So now, close up my glue. And find my paintbrush. We'll give a little bit of gold splatters. And I think we'll call that one done. Be sure and check out Shana's channel at Shanoki Art, and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. And this one is card 6. Oops, get that. Here we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.